Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be restoring this iPhone 5S Gold back to factory condition. Now this device has a few issues, including a dead display and battery, but today I'm going to fix that all by giving it a new housing, LCD and battery. First thing I have to do is undo the two pentalobe screws on the bottom of the phone and then carefully pry up the screen, being careful not to snap the cables at the top of the device. Now I have to remove the metal shield covering the LCD cables with a Phillips screwdriver. Here I'm using the metal pry tool included with the new display to pry up the LCD cables from their sockets carefully. Now that I have removed the screen, I can begin to focus on removing the logic board. As you can see here, I'm removing the dot connector. This is not necessary, but as a beginner, I like to have the maximum amount of space to work with. Here I am removing the last two cables, the antenna cable and the dot connector cable. All I am doing here is removing the screws for the logic board. This always takes a while, seeing as there can be up to 10 screws with varying types, although this depends on which iPhone you have. Now I have to remove the SIM tray carefully and pry up the logic board, taking care not to damage anything. I've removed the logic board, so it's time for me to begin installing it into its new housing. The logic board is now in place and I can begin to screw it down to the housing. I must also use the same camera because the new housing does not come included with one. As you can see, I am now reinstalling the antenna cable and the dot connector cable. Now I am testing the LCD and battery, making sure everything is ready to be fixed down. Thankfully the phone boots up and is ready for a fresh install of iOS 12. I can fully install the battery and LCD now that I know they work. Off camera I actually installed a fresh copy of iOS 12 and that is why the camera angle changed. Last thing I have to do is fit the screen into the housing. Now I insert the pentalobe screws and clean the screen and body. And there we have it, a fully functioning iPhone 5S. Thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.